Hello guys, we're going to explore Punch the Button Tower. Oops.
Siyempre, si Tito sa maglinis ang paa.
Nalinisan ko na nasa freezer na.
Alam mo,
Oh, tingnan mo ito.
Wala. Wala pa rin guys. Konti na lang. Hindi nakasya.
Look at this guys. Look.
napaluto mo natin yung manok.
Despite using a throwaway, my girlfriend still found the post. She was very miffed by the responses and tried to vent to her friends, but they weren't on her side. She then decided
Paano tanggal so? Bubuksan.
siblings. Didn't know if it was true. And when confirmed, they all yelled at her, and they got her respective parents to calm down and stop talking about it. She came to me over the weekend and said,
Guys, we cannot leave the... So guys, we have escaped the game. But look at this. We have escaped the game.